Hi everyone, I'm Debbie. Welcome to Page Bantim and Jay Arise. Today we all continue to learn lesson 12 about Jacob and Esau. In this video we can learn 4 words together. So the first word is twin. Twin. Twin can spell T-W-I-N. Twin. Example: my sister and I are twins. My sister and I are twins. Second is make peace. Make peace. Make peace can spell M-A-K-E-P-E-A-C-E. Make peace. Example: I like to make peace with my friend. I like to make peace with my friend. Third is run away. Run away. Run away can spell R-U-N-A-W-A-Y. Runs away. Example: I never run away from my friend. I never run away from my friend. The last word is cheated. Cheated. Cheated can spell C-H-E-A-T-E-D. Cheated. Example: he cheated on the exam yesterday. He cheated on the exam yesterday. Good job. Please repeat after me. Twin. Twin. Make peace. Make peace. Run away. Run away. Cheated. Cheated. Good job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 4 words that we learned and leave it in a comment so that we will have check. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. If you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.